Hello, hi everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Good.
ma'am.
Now I'm going to take you scratch and show you the things. Before that, I want to talk about coding. Okay. So, what is coding? Till now, maybe you have different types of options, but coding is the instructing computer how to perform. Like, if you want to make you may saw Robo movie, right? In Robo movie, Rajnikant is making a robot to talk, speak, and do some actions, right? So all the thing what he did, he trained the robot, he gave instructions to robot to perform this type of action. Okay, so that is kind of instruction. So a robot is also a computer, it's a machine. Same way we have mission as a computer in front of us to, okay, so to instruct to do something. For example, you are planning to create a game, or you are planning to animate your, or you are planning to animate
I
super.
can't hear you, ma'am. Your voice is very little bit sound.
Okay, can you hear me? Hello? Hello?
Hello. Hi, children.
Hello, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
Good
Hi,
evening.
ma'am.
Ma'am, I
Hi.
can't.
What can't you see? What can't you see? Hello. Can you hear me, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good. Good.
Yeah. Garu, can you
Vanita,
hear
hi.
me? Hi,
Yeah, I can hear you. I can
my
hear.
voice is clear.
Voice little bit breakage.
It is fine.
నేను చేయండి ఇప్పుడు ఫోన్ వస్తుంది అరే క్లాస్ అంటున్నాడు చెప్పరా ఫోన్ చేస్తా
Children, mute. Children, mute yourself. Pranav. Pranav, mute. Yeah. Vanita, please.
Okay.
Carry on.
Now, as I told you, so putting instructions to computer. So we can give instructions to computer in different ways. So actually, the previous programmers who has developed the programming languages, it can be a Scratch program, or it can be a C, or it can be HTML, whatever language it is. They have developed only to give instructions to computer. Okay, so instructions can be given, like, we are talking in Telugu. If we change the region, maybe if we go little bit, on the top side of India, like North India, they will speak mostly Hindi. And if you go Goa, they will speak some other language. If you go, Orissa, they will speak different language. If you change the country, if you go to Dubai, they will speak Kerala. Okay, so country it will change. Same way, programming computer also will listen to different types of languages. So we are going to learn one of the language from that. As you simplify, tell you the work, whatever you are going to do, we are just, add for you drag and drop. So you are going to develop using this drag and drop logical thinking. Like how, like which block where to keep, how to use the repeat action, where exactly you have to use repeat action, where you have to use the loop, so you have to add variable, where you have to add sound. So whichever project you take, so it will be a different procedure. So whether we are going to you know uh, give you a animation, or if you are going to do a story, or you are going to design a game, whatever it is, we have to give instructions to computer to do something. So that instructions, either you have to write hard code, or you have to use drag and drop blocks. So we are going to show you how to drag and drop, but how to make a logical drag and drop. That means which block. So if you want to animate a name, to show you how to animate a name. So the name can be your name, my name, or your coding name, whatever it is. So if you want to animate anything, so we can use the same code. Okay. Based on this project, whatever you are going to learn in the future, by the end of the course, you will come to know how to make a characters, how to make a stories through animation, how to design a game, how to design your superhero. So these all you are going to learn. Okay, so I'm just going to play one video to watch. We will go to the class. Okay, I will share my screen with you.
Children, as Vanita told you, this summer going to be something special for all of you. Okay, so you learn little bit of coding, how your computer works when you are playing your games, or when you are doing any animations, or when you want to build your story. No, it's very simple coding you use for that. Okay, so that is simple blocks, drag and drop kind. Okay, now Vanita is showing you by using that how she prepared this. Okay, watch the video till the end and you can ask some of the questions out of that. We will ask you some questions, some questions from that video also. Watch carefully. Okay, so that you can understand what you can learn from this. Okay, children.
Usha, can you possible to play from your end because it's not loading yet? No?
Okay, I will show you some of the animations done by using things. Okay, just wait. All of you can view the screen.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'm going to play one video for all of you. Just watch carefully that one and I will ask you some questions. There are some surprises in it.
Could you record it, please? Unmuted.
Able to speak.
Okay, children, what is this we played now? Anyone can answer?
Ball game, ma'am.
You are watching a ball game. But question here, how many balls, how many type of balls you noticed in that game?
3, ma'am.
12, ma'am.
3 balls, ma'am.
Yes, both of you correct. We played with 3 balls, but there are 12 balls mapped to that game, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, what else you noticed in that game? What other things? One is ball for play. Okay. Can I play again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's watch again. Okay, come back now. Tell me what you noticed here.
There are some shapes in that, ma'am.
Okay, what else?
Shapes and colors, ma'am.
Yeah, you have different colors, you have different shapes, and you have the important thing, the start of the game. How the game started with some wow, it is going like kind of effect, right? There is an effect and it is started asking you, are you ready? Right? You have an effect, you have a word called, are you ready? Then it is playing some music as well, right?
Yes,
Some
ma'am.
music also is there for that game. Then you have 12 shapes of your balls and you can choose which ball you like it. And one more thing is there in that. Can anyone notice it? There is a score on the top. It is telling you some score. What score if you get, you will get that crown, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and one more is there in that. What is that? The ball, when the first ball is jumping and catching 1 point, so no, I'm not able to play. So I stuck there only. Again, it is giving me the other ball. So there is sequence. One after one, the ball is coming down. With that, I have to play. So in this, you noticed how many things? There are numbers, different bars. There are colors. There are, circles, and there are voice, and there is a music. So you integrated in this game how many aspects? 7 to 10 aspects integrated in this game, right? Right? So that game is developed with a very easy thing. Small drag and drop concept. Okay. Now Vanita, are you going to show that one?
Yeah. Oh, good.
Okay. Guys, I will show you that game is designed how. Okay. Just keep a watch. I'll share you again. Now you can watch my screen, all of you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
this game is designed with very simple kind of blocks. Okay. What is those blocks? See, you are seeing the right side corner, right? What Vanita explained you in the initial stage, coding is what? Coding is just give some instructions to the computer to do something. So in this game, what instructions we gave to the game? Drop the ball each time, go for one step front, jump up and come back. And we asked the computer for this game, give some music. And we asked computer to tell to ask, are you ready? Right? These many things we instructed in this game to the computer. Okay. So all these happens with these small things, whatever you have here in the right. Okay. See what we call all these in the coding, you are going to learn in the classroom when the classes starts. Okay. Simple thing, you need to design your story or the animation or the game, whatever you feel in your mind and whatever you wanted to view, that you need to first write, think about that. Okay, in this game they kept only 12 balls. If it is me, I will put 20 balls. Instead of one ball coming down, I will put 10 balls jump up and down. So that kind of imagination you think and come and do your thing. So those things will happen with very small drag and drop things. Now this is called like move. If you want to move 10 steps, you put this move block, and you want like some event when this supposed to happen, when you click on this flag, it's supposed to happen. Or when you click on mouse, or when you click on the keyboard enter button, these are all the things. But you need to think, you need to analyze, and you need to visualize, you need to be creative. Okay, so all very simple thing, drag, drop. Okay, now I will ask you, any one of you, tell me who told you the lesson now at the initial, who showed you the class to you? What's her name? Vanita ma'am, right? Now, who is talking with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Is Usha ma'am. So Usha ma'am has a name Usha. What is the spelling of that Usha?
USHA.
USHA. Wow, very good. You all are very good in English, huh? Spellings like anything you are telling. Okay, fine. So I want my name to see in colorful way. Okay, just I will share you again one more screen. Just watch that. Okay, now what is my name? My name is Usha.
Usha, ma'am.
Okay, just watch this one. I'll ask you again some questions. Children, what is happening here?
Colors is changing. Colors are changing.
Changing, ma'am.
How many colors?
4. 3, ma'am. 3.
What those colors?
4.
Orange,
Orange,
green, blue, orange.
Blue.
Orange, green, blue, orange, ma'am. Green,
Very
blue,
good.
orange, ma'am.
You guys are so sharp,
Green,
huh?
blue,
So
and orange.
catchy. So clever children. I like it. Okay. Now, how I did this one? Okay, one more thing. I'm in beach. I don't like this beach. I wanted to go somewhere else. I wanted to be some I want to go to sky. Okay. Where am I now? I'm somewhere in the sky. Oh, that is very blue, dark. I wanted to come to my bedroom. Okay. Okay. So these are all the simple things. Now, how I did this name, like if you see here, what am I doing here? What is this?
Go.
Go. So
Green color
go.
flag.
Green color flag. Whenever we do any competitions, we say like go, right? So go it is called here an event. Event means if I click something either on the green flag or on the keyboard enter press, whatever it is. So what we call those things event. When I click on this, I want my name colors to be changed. So for that, how I did this one? I choose all my letters. My name is what? U,
Usha.
S, H, Yeah, I choose all the 4 letters. See, then what I told to the computer, okay, when I click on this, just watch children here, what is happening, the name, how many times it is changing the colors, calculate it,
3 times.
count it again,
Three
I'll give
times.
you,
5 times, ma'am. 5 times.
very good, 3 colors 5 times, am I right?
Pranav, how you came to know that is for 5 times? Who answered 5 times? Can I know how you told me 5 times? You counted it?
Ma'am, I counted it, ma'am.
No. If you use the logic, you can see ma'am showing code on the other side where you can see repeat is there for 5 times. Okay. So if this is 5 times, that's why that is blinking 5 times. If you change that to 10, it will blink 10 times. Okay.
Okay, now I will just show
Yes,
you
ma'am.
10, okay, just now watch it. How
Right?
many times?
10 times.
Right? So now what I instructed to the computer for this coding, when I click start button and do 10 times, change the color into 3 colors, right? I gave a costume 1 one color, costume 2 another color, and costume 3 another color. What I told again to the computer, first time just blink and wait for 2 seconds. See here, wait for 2 seconds. Change the color. Then wait for 2 seconds. Then change the color. Then wait for 2 seconds. Change the color. So 3 colors, 3 blocks, 10 times. Right? So all these are all very simple drag and drop things. But as I told you, all should have some imagination, some creativity, something in your mind to bring it out. You have so many dreams might be with you, but how you don't know how to bring it out, where to showcase. Now this is the right place for all of you to showcase and to build your own projects, to build your stories, to build your games, everything. So as I showed you in previous project, in previous video also, just you have like motion block, which means you are telling walk 10 steps, turn 15 degrees, go to random positions. For example, if I wanted to the name go up and down, jump it, the letters. I will just put it inside the random positions, go up and down, okay, then do something for that. Let's see what happens. See what is happened here?
The letters
A
are
is going
moving.
into, yeah, A is moving, right? See, I have one question. Why only A is moving? Why U, S, and H is not moving? Can I know?
The code was only kept to the sprite EM.
Yeah, Usha ma'am has changed the code only for A. She did not change for U, S, H. That's why only A is moving to the random positions because we gave instructions only to A to move, right? Even when you are creating characters, you can give a specific, action to a character or specific action to a letter or specific action to the design, whatever you have done. Okay.
Okay, so likewise you can give some music to your animation. For example, I will take this bus. Okay, I will go to sounds. Okay, now let me see what happens. Where is my sound box gone? Okay, so I need to just bring my music thing there, then I will play it. Okay, so I can add some of the music also to this. So like this, it is simple thing. If all of you know how to catch the mouse, how to use the keyboard and how to type on the keyboard, right? So in this summer, what we planned is like to teach you something differently, okay, and something fun and play more. Okay, now questions to all of you.
One more thing, kids, you are going to learn all these tools. That means, we are not just like, creating project from our side and giving to you and you just run it. It is not going to be like that. We will give, we will explain you point by point how to use the tool from, opening a spirit or opening a background to till creation of a big animation. We are going to help you. Okay, so we will give you real time projects. That means if we teach something in the class, so you are not going to do same thing in the as a homework or your thing. So you can imagine it whatever you want to do, bring ideas to us. Even maybe you have a wonderful idea, maybe your friend does not have idea. I'm not saying anything, just if you can share ideas. Okay, you can share ideas when class is going on. You all the people, we will divide as a batches, so you can share your ideas. We will develop the projects. You can work on your own. Not only whatever we are saying, you can try your own things by using this tool. Okay,
Okay.
it will be very fun to learn.
Okay, so initially all of you going to learn a simple things like, a story creation or, narration, and you will reach to the level of developing your own game, because all of you I am seeing very clever students. Immediately you are telling the answers and immediately just like that you are grasping everything. I know you are very sharp. So might be within first level itself, the second level itself, you are going to develop your own game. Once you are reached to the game development level, then yes, you can really go into the coding and programming or kind of things in your future. Who knows, might be you become a good singer. See, when you wanted to just uh, use some of the piano or any of the musical instrument, that project also you can do by using this, so that you can learn easily the instrument how to use. If you are very good in animation, might be okay, if you are more interested in the animation, you can use this project to create your animations. Maybe you become a director, a movie director in future, or
See,
you wanted to develop your own robot.
Usha, I
This is
just
the
got Usha, I
yeah.
just got idea when you're saying, okay. So I just thinking that one person, dancing as an animator and background, they are recording their own voice and playing. Students, you can record your own voice, you can sing and you can upload for a animation. Like, okay, so you can put your picture and then you play by your own and then do the animation. That also it is possible here.
Yeah. So, as Vanita ma'am told you, you can do miracles. Whatever you feel in your mind and whatever you wanted to showcase to your parents, to your friends, to your relatives, come. We will give you that opportunity and you can design those and you can showcase it. See, this is what am I, right? All of you so intelligent students. Yes. So you will learn very fast. So this 1 week going to be free classes for all of you. Vanita will teach you for 1 week and you can just see how it is, how far you can go with that. But I know everyone, each one of you can learn very easily. Okay. Once the level 1 is done, then we can tell you in what level you are and what level you can go directly to the game creation or some animation. All the way will guide you. Okay. So students, you can ask if any doubts you have. Just whoever is talking, just raise their hand. We will on the mic. Okay.
Hi, Nityashree.
Nitya, want to ask you something? You wanted to ask something, Nitya? Okay. So no one has any questions. I will tell you how the process is going to be. Okay. Whoever is now registered, they will get, we will share you login ID password through that emails and how to log in into the system. Okay. When you receive that email, so the first class going to be how to log in, then how to submit your projects, how to go through our classes, we will explain you. Second class onwards, you can start working on your project. So if somebody is not registered, please register your coding.in with a proper email ID, because you are going to get the email ID, to that email ID, the user ID and password. Okay. Tomorrow we will share the user ID password for login and the timing for the class also. Yes.
Ma'am, for the link is same for everyone, ma'am.
No, it's not going to be the same for everyone, because each individual has your own user ID password. Okay.
No.
In the email, we are going to share you the link also, which link you have to log in for everyday class. Okay. In that email only you will receive everything, the login link, user ID, password, everything. So if you are not registered, please go and register, because we need the email ID to send you all the details. Right, children?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
You wanted to add something?
Kids, one more thing, if you are interested in online class or classroom class, if you are interested directly going to Springboard and learn, or if you want to attend online classes, please be sure, because we are going to divide as a batches, and you cannot attend both the classes, because why we are saying you will be confused, because the sessions, whatever it is going in online, and there it will be different, means concept is same, but it may be a lag or fast, so you will mess up with that. So make sure, if you want to attend online classes, so come to only online class. If you want to attend in classroom, just attend in the classroom, and come for the next class when it is happening in the classroom. Okay. And all online classes, as Usha ma'am told, online excuse me. So as Usha ma'am told you, you will get the link of the class, how to join, and you will get username and password. So from the next class, we are going to show you how to log in and how to start this this crash. That means you can start creating your own animation from the next class. So this is just an introductory demo class. From next class, you can log in with the details we are sending to you. Okay, and if you did not receive your username and password, make sure that by Sunday afternoon you will receive everything. But if you did not get any email, please email us to info@yourcoding.in or inform to Rama ma'am, or you can WhatsApp us to the number we have provided to you.
Rama ma'am, you wanted to add something?
Can you hear my voice, children?
Yes.
Yeah. Children, see. Good. Listen to me carefully. Once you talk to your parents, listen carefully. Once talk to your parents and fix the proper time. If you want completely online, you will be in the online batch. If you want completely offline, you will be teaching in the school. Which one you want, you have to confirm. Okay? We will share you by Vanitha ma'am a small sheet. In that, you have to give your preference, offline or online. According to that, we will separate you into batches. Once after separating into batches, there won't be any further changes. Clearly, I'm telling you. No excuses, no recommendations. Okay? Is it clear to everyone, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you understand today what madams they explained you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it nice? Is it nice?
Yes, ma'am. Very nice, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Every day, if you want to connect online, timing is same. Ma'am will let you know it through email. Every communication should be done by email. Don't make other ways to call. You write a mail clearly. Learn how to write a mail. It is also one kind of education. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Thank you all, Vanitha and Usha.
Just a minute, sorry. Students, you will receive a form by tomorrow afternoon. So please make sure you are submitting tomorrow all your preferences, online or offline. Okay. So once that is done, then only you will get your username and password. Okay, based on your chosen class and link. Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, children. So if somebody is not registered, please go and register and give the right email ID. Okay, either your father or mother or yours. So all of you nice children, have a nice evening, and all of you very clever. We wish you to see again. See you all of you. Thank you so much.
Welcome, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, children. Have a
Bye,
nice evening.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.